everyone, for today's video I wanted to do a review for you guys. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dayma. The review is going to be on this Revlon Color Effect Frost and Glow Kit. I am a little nervous, I have to say, because this is bleaching, and the bleaching I leave it to the salons. I used to do a lot of bleaching in my 20s, and I can't believe how I used to bleach my hair. It's scary to think how I used to bleach it and how I still have hair today. So you can see I have dark roots and then it's lighter like down here. But usually I go to the salon to just add the blonde from all the way on top. I saw a video on TikTok on this girl using this kit. The hair turned out great, so I'm hoping that mine turns out great too. The main focus is going to be right on top. As you can see down here, it is pretty light. I do want it lighter, but my main focus will be up here because all this brown, especially like right here, I want to add more blonde to it. So hopefully it doesn't turn out orange and it turns out great. And I save a lot of money and not return to the salon until I learn how to cut my hair also. Anyways, let me show you guys how I use this kit right here. So like I told you guys, this is the one that I'll be using. Inside the box, you have your bleach. This is the powder. This is the developer. Where you're going to mix everything is right here. It also brings a shampoo and a conditioner. It brings like a little spatula. This is how you're going to pull the hair. This is the cap. It looks really solid. Okay, how the cap looks like. And you have your instructions. The instructions have a pair of gloves and also has this clear bag that I will put on top once I put all the bleach. This is what they say to put on just so it could, I guess, warm up instead of putting foils. I've never done this before. This is actually my first time. They say to comb your hair and they also say to comb it to the back. So placing all my hair towards the back. Make sure your hair is not knotted. It's about to get crazy in here. This is the cap. Okay. Whew. Ooh, this is tight. Nice. You guys have no idea how scared I am. I hope I don't end up with orange hair. Whew. Anyways, I'm not gonna tie this up, but this is the way the cap looks like. As you can see, it has the sections of where you should, you know, take out the hair that you want to bleach. I am only going to show you guys one or two, and then I'm going to go upstairs. I am going to do this off camera. I'm going to show you how I place the bleach, but to take all the hairs out, that's going to take a while, so I'm not going to do that on camera. So I am just going to go right over here, and I don't have a mirror, so give me a sec. So this is how the tool looks like that I am going to use. Now, as you can see, it shows you all the holes where you're going to pull each strand of hair. I'm just going to follow the ones that are already marked. This is my first time, and this is already scary enough. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to press it down. And there you go. So what I do is I press down, I go to the side, and then I lift. I'm trying to make sure that I don't break But then if I feel like it doesn't have a lot of hair, I just go back and pick a little bit more. Press down, I press down like this. I go to the side. Okay, this is not as easy. See? I feel like I get stuck in the plastic bag. I don't want to. So far, this is all I am getting. I press down again one more time. Press down, grab the hair, and pull. As you can see, sometimes it comes off. So you just got to keep on trying. Press down, pull. Just trying to make sure I don't break the plastic. It scares me. Like that. Since this is going to take a while, I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera. I'm going to come back, show you how much hair I pulled, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply the bleach. So I'll be right back. But not really. I'll be back like in 10-15 minutes or 20. I'm back. As you can see, I look like a freaking nut, but this is the way it looks like. The rest of my hair I just tied up in a bun. But this is all the hairs that I am going to bleach. So, go crazy. I'm going to pour everything here. Pour the developer. Okay, so I have my gloves on. I'm going to go back and forth just grabbing some of this, but mostly I'm just going to use my fingers. I feel like if I just pat this down, it might go in the hole, and I don't want that. So I'm going to just use it to grab some bleach. And then start spreading it with my fingers. Okay, I'm going to tie up the hair and mix it together. Okay. It's just okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes, and I'm just going to go to the shower and just wash it off. I'm not going to come back on camera. I'm going to dry my hair, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I am back. This is the way the hair turned out. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. It is not exactly what I wanted. Obviously, I wanted to be, you know, blonde, and I am not. But I really like the way the highlights do look on the hair. It didn't leave me any spots. To be fair, I don't have a toner on right now. I wash my hair with purple shampoo because I am going to touch up my hair again, maybe in 2 weeks or in a month. I either do it myself or I go to a salon, whichever one. But that's why I didn't want to put any toner, because I am going to touch it up. Again, to be fair, don't quote me on this because I'm not a professional, but I think the developer was number 20. Usually that's what these, you know, hair dye boxes, you know, from the drugstore, usually that the developer is a 20. I am used to using a 30. It just picks up faster and better on my hair. Don't quote me on that again. I am not a professional. I'm just putting some things out there, and that's why the color also turned out this way. Another thing is I only go once a year to bleach my hair at the salon. I start from right here all the way down and I go blonde, but I don't go back for another year. So I only touch up my hair once a year when it comes to bleach, just because I'm really scared of it. It's so damaging, and plus I've had, you know, a couple of accidents a couple of years ago with the whole bleaching process, but I do like how I look with lighter hair than darker. It's just that my roots, my grays come out every 2 weeks, so every 2 weeks I have to be dyeing my hair. Within that year, the whole hair grows, I want to say up to here. That's why you see the two different type of tones. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but I could see it in the mirror right here, because I'm always touching up my roots. So all this will be brown and the highlights will be down here. So again, to be fair, I think that those are the reasons of why my hair end up this color up here. I don't hate it, but I don't love it because I, you know, want it to be blonde. But I really do like the way the highlights look. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you've tried this kit, did it work out for you? Do you like it? You don't? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye. This was not part of the bleaching process.
No.
Great.
Here?
The end result. Oh, thanks, babe. Oscar actually helped me doing this whole process. Can you move? You're just staring at me. It makes me feel nervous. Ow, babe. It can be knotted, baby.
No.
You're getting like little strands. You have to get like bigger strands.
Glass. Go do something with that.
That was a knot.
Can you get?
Are they like little holes that you grab it through?
Grab it, spin it, you pull it.
That's cool.
That hurts. You're doing that on purpose, babe.
Stop, because you're holding it.
I have to hold the cap down. Oh my god, you lying. I feel a knot right here.
Can't ask me nuts. You don't have to do that.
So baby, if this comes out well, you're gonna help me do this like every 3 months or so. Ow!